Hi, welcome to Forex in 4. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started. Good morning. Today is Friday, September 3rd, 2010. This morning, it's all about the non-farm payrolls report. Now, this is one of the most important economic releases that we get here in the U.S. because it really gives us a guide and a gauge of what the economy is doing and whether or not we're adding jobs. And as you know, the jobs number is very important to see how the unemployment rate is and what's going on with folks. So this morning we're expecting the market's expecting a decline in non-farm payrolls of 105,000. They're expecting a change in private payrolls though to go up to 46,000, which is less than last month, 71,000. But that's going to be an important number because the difference between government jobs and private sector jobs is obviously very important. And then lastly, the unemployment rate, which is expected to come in at 9.6%. So we're sort of waiting on this just real quick before we look at this. Showing you a picture here of pound dollar. All right, pound was lower. Their PMI figures came in less than expected. Just want to show you the euro's higher. Their PMI figures came in a little bit better than expected. Other than that, there isn't really a ton of news out there. I'll show you dollar's stronger against yen. Now, overnight in Japan, capital spending came in better than was forecast. It declined less than that was expected. So it's very interesting. So, okay, we're looking here. We're starting to see the volatility pick up before the numbers released, which is going to come out any minute now. You can see dollar pushing a little bit higher. Let's see if anybody else is moving significantly. What do we want to look? We'll look at pound. And we can see a little bit of risk aversion happening. Nope, just flipping around. It looks like it's moving higher. The number's out. Give me 1 second. Looks like the market likes the number initially. We can see it moving higher here. We're looking at Aussie USD, which is a proxy for risk. So it looks like it's risk on. Perhaps the number's a little bit better than expected. I'm going to have the number here for you in about 2 seconds. But we'll just take a look here. Okay, you can see, oh wow, look at that gap up on USD JPY. So looks like they like the figure, and we're going to see what's happening. All right, so non-farm payrolls decreased 54,000. The unemployment rate at 9.6%, with private payrolls adding 67,000 jobs. So these numbers are all better than expected. It's a welcome relief for the market, which has been pretty much in risk aversion mode for the last couple of days here, and actually the month of August. Let's just take a look at some of the other pairs going on. We see euros selling off a little bit versus USD, although I think that may reverse. Wow, look at the long tail on that. Today looks like it's going to be risk-taking day. Wow, Aussie USD was initially negative. Now it's up 0.34%. Got USD higher, hitting just above 85 here versus yen. And who else do we have? Pound just sort of settling in. Let's see, dollar weakening versus the loonie. It looks like stock futures are higher. Oil prices are bouncing back a little bit from 74.5, and so that's what we're looking at today. So as of right now, the market likes these figures, which is a welcome relief. So it's really important to note that around these times, volatility can really increase, in the market, and that when you're attempting to trade these figures, it's important to know that that you're going to have this kind of volatility and to be prepared, because if you're on the wrong side of this, this could blow you out. So wow, looks like risk taking's on today. So good numbers today out of the U.S. That's very encouraging. Maybe look for it's kind of hard to say to get into some of these risk pairs here. Maybe look for a pullback or a place you can get in with a little bit of support behind you. So that's what I've got today. Good trading to all. As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals. Go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.